Hello friends. As you know, white rice is loaded with starch, quickly spikes blood sugar levels, leads to more fat storage if you are not active. Thus, if you are struggling with weight, bloating, or low energy, but still want to enjoy rice daily, here I am with a simple way to reduce calories from white rice. This method can reduce calories around 10 to 20%, which is 20 to 40 fewer calories in 1 cup of cooked rice. Also supports better blood sugar control, improves digestion, and reduces arsenic content. Let's get started. First, take white rice, such as sona masoori, basmati, or ponni rice, etc. Wash 3 to 4 times to remove some loose surface starch. Next, instead of adding exact water ratio, add extra water, at least 1:3 ratio. For example, 1 cup of rice needs minimum 3 cups of water. If you soak rice, discard the soaked water before cooking. Cook on high flame until rice is about 75% done. You can see starchy water foaming on top. As starch from rice leaches into water, makes water thick and cloudy. This is in fact traditional old technique, boil and drain method. Instead of regular absorption method, let's drain excess starch while cooking to keep rice lighter with reduced calories. You can also boil water first, then add rinsed rice and let it come to rolling boil. Now it's time to drain starch water completely. This starch water or kanji or rice broth contains mainly some starch or carbs and few water soluble nutrients, thus used as quick energy source. You can also reuse this starch water for silky soft hair. Cover rice with lid and cook on low flame for 3 to 5 minutes. Let it rest for 10 minutes before serving. It's not just about what you eat, it's about how you cook it too, along with balanced portions and active lifestyle. As you see, rice looks the same after excess starch is removed. In fact, rice turns fluffy as no more stickiness from starch. Hope you find it useful. Stay tuned for many more amazing, healthy, and tasty options. Thanks for watching.